Welcome to ASP NET and SQL Academy. In this video, we are going to walk you through step by step how to use AJAX in ASP.NET Web Forms to create responsive interactive applications without full page reloads. AJAX allows you to communicate with the server in the background while the user continues interacting with the page. In ASP.NET Web Forms, we can use built-in tools to make this process simple and powerful. Using AJAX in web forms let you reduce page flickering, speed up load times, and build a smoother user interface, all without needing to jump fully into JavaScript or modern frameworks. ASP.NET offers several built-in AJAX controls. We will mainly use Script Manager and Update Panel today, but also introduce you to web methods and the optional AJAX control toolkit for advanced scenarios. We will create a basic form that updates user input using AJAX. You will see how to wrap content in an update panel and respond with server-side logic, all without refreshing the page. First, add a script manager control to your page. This is essential for enabling partial rendering and registering scripts needed for AJAX functionality. Next, wrap the content you want to update asynchronously inside an update panel. This tells ASP.NET what part of the page should be refreshed without reloading the entire page. Place your controls inside the update panel. When we click the button, the label will update via AJAX. Now, let us move to the server-side logic. Here is the server-side click event that will run when the button is clicked. The result will update in the label without a page reload thanks to AJAX. You can also add an update progress control to show a loading indicator during async postbacks, useful for longer operations. Let us run the page now and test it. Notice how the page stays intact and only the result label changes. This is the magic of AJAX in web forms. Flexibility. Use web method with jQuery to make AJAX calls manually, ideal for JSON data and customized workflows. This works even without an update panel. Watch out for these common mistakes. Without a script manager or correct triggers, your AJAX will not work. Always check the browser console for JS errors too. We have seen AJAX in action, from setting up script manager to building a working example. In the next video, we will add AJAX to a grid view with pop-up editing. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching this tutorial on using AJAX in ASP.NET Web Forms step by step. If this helped you, please like, subscribe and share with your developer friends. Keep exploring the full series on our channel, ASP NET and SQL Academy.